Hello there, and welcome to our latest investment update. I would like to provide a rundown on the fund's performance over the past financial year and what to expect next. The past financial year experienced significant volatility that negatively impacted your super balance. We experienced negative returns of -0.95% in the balanced accumulation option, which the majority of our members are part of, and -1.19% for our pension members in the balanced option. Despite these disappointing returns, First Super delivered a result that placed us in the top 25% of superannuation funds nationally. You can find all details of First Super's investment option returns on the investment returns and crediting rates section of our website. The 2019 financial year was a tough 12 months for both superannuation and the economy generally, due to a series of major global and local events. The period was a difficult year for people and businesses all over the world as the world dealt with the coronavirus pandemic, mass unemployment, and the shutdown of entire economies. In Australia, we've also had to deal with the drought and bushfires. Share markets saw extraordinary volatility in the second half of the financial year, with the Australian market falling more than 13% over the financial year. Our job at First Super is to protect and grow your retirement savings over the long term. Volatility is completely normal in investment markets, and that's why we take a long-term view of investing. First Super's timeframe for the balanced option is 10 years, and we aim to return an average of CPI plus 3.5% a year over that timeframe. Investments can go up and down at any point in time, but our focus is on achieving this average return over the 10-year period. And even with the 2019-20 results included, the 10-year rolling average for the fund's balanced accumulation option is 7.61%. For our pension members in the balanced option, the 10-year rolling average is 8.25%. First Super has 5 investment options, each designed to be suitable for members' different risk profiles. At times, particularly during market volatility, some members try to pick the best time to invest. Timing the market is tricky and it's potentially costly. As I've said earlier, the fund's investment philosophy is to invest for the long run, and this means not overreacting to market volatility that we've seen over the past few months. It's important to remember that volatility is normal in investment markets. We are continuing to see market volatility while the coronavirus pandemic disrupts economies around the world. Other global economic factors that may influence investment markets are the continuing trade hostilities between the United States and China, and in a few months, the US presidential election. If you have any queries about your super, you can also talk to our member services team. The fund also has authorised financial planners who can help you with your plans for your future retirement. When it comes to investment strategy, our financial planners can help you with what investment options are best for you, taking into account factors such as how long you've left in the workforce and the level of investment risk that you're comfortable with. The outcome is a personalised plan to meet your retirement goals. In the meantime, you can be assured that First Super takes a planned approach to managing the current market volatility for the good of all of our members. And look for further updates in our Investors First e-newsletter. Thank you for being a member of First Super. We appreciate it.